in this video I'm going to show you how we can create a new presentation. So first we're going to the presentation management tab, and from here we can create a new presentation. First we need to give a name, so I'm going to call it my Greek selections. We're going to say it's a presentation, and we can select optionally an image. The easiest way for me is to go to Unsplash, put the relevant keyword, Greece in this case, let's say select an image and copy image address. I want to mention that in Unsplash all the images are royalty free, so there is no any copyright issue. So I'm putting here, I'm copy pasting the image URL, press save, and here we have the presentation. So going in, we can see that this is the toolbar where we can have dynamic elements and static elements. Dynamic elements are all the views that we have created in a workspace ourselves. So this is the part of our analysis, let's say, or whatever we have created and we want to add in the presentation. Static elements are elements that we can add, like text, image, or embedded window. I will explain the embedded window later in the video. So let's say we want to put first a title. So my Greek selections. So here I'm going to write this is a presentation for the video tutorial. Nice. We can resize the window, we can erase the window and add something new, or we can move the window. Say I want to put it here and with this size. Then I'm going to add a dynamic element. It will be the sum of the value and the sum of the revenues of this portfolio that I have created before in a workspace. So this is the element. I'm moving it here. So say we can always hit the button preview to see how the presentation will look like to the viewers. So this is the edit mode. This is the view that of when it will be presented. So then I'm going to add the actual assets. So this needs to be resized, and I'm going to drag and resize it larger in order to avoid the scroll, the inner scroll in the window, to make it as large as it needs to be. Okay, looks good. So as you can see here, we can look at all the assets as we have done in the workspace. And then I'm going to add some graphs. Oh no, before doing that, I will add a map that again I have prepared in the workspace. Here's the map. I'm resizing it. Putting it here, middle. I'm resizing some more, bigger. Oh, nice. Let's see how it looks. A little bit more like here, I think. Okay, that looks better. So then I'm going to add some graphs. So I'm going to the embedded element, static elements embedded, and here it will give me a window, a table that has a link here. So whatever we put in here in this as a link, it will get the information. So this can be a YouTube video or a graph that we take from data visualization, Roboequity. So in the application that we're using to create graphs. So in this case, I'm going to take an example graph. So a graph that I have created in another video tutorial. I'm going just to copy the URL, come here, paste it, and I have the graph. I'm going to add here. So let's say we want to add another embedded element, put another graph. Here again I'm resizing. Again I'm copying the URL from the superset application. I'm pasting it here. And here is the graph. I'm going to make it a little bit large like this. Okay. So, but I assume we also need a title here. I'm going to add another text element. But here I'm going to put it a little bit higher. Here, here. I would prefer some analysis. And I think this looks rather good. So now we can go to settings. Here in the settings we can put the name that we have already done. In the description we can select that this is a portfolio, it's a working draft. Now we can put it's done, or we can say the view option if it's internal, public, first page. I'm going to select now first page just for the presentation, for the tutorial purposes. And here is the image that we have selected for this presentation. I'm pressing save. And now it's saved. We can go to the main page where we have all the portfolios. And here it is, publicly available.